Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture doing annotations or labeling data. So the tool that we will be using here for annotation is label img, which we have used last time also. So I think most of you know the usage, how to do that. But we will show you what are the changes that you need to do. Installing label img, I think we have already done it in the past, so you have to do some changes. I will let you know in this lecture. Then about the tool. Okay, then how to load the data. I will show you that how to do the annotations and what is the content of those annotation files. Okay, and what are some other tools that are available. So let's jump and open our tool. Okay, so this is the tool that I was talking about, level img. Okay, now let me just open a directory. Okay, so here four images are there, so sample images I have taken just to show you the annotation. Now the most important thing here before starting your annotation, just to check this particular thing. Okay, you can see here it's written Pascal VOC. Okay, so when you are using Pascal VOC, the output of the annotation will be .xml file, but for YOLO you need .txt file. So you have to just click on Pascal VOC. Okay, and it will be changed to YOLO. I think you guys get it. You should always change from Pascal VOC to YOLO. Okay, now we can start our annotation process. So simply what I will do. So if this is then hat, and then I will click on save. Okay, the next image, again one hat. So quickly hat, and then I will click on save. Next image. Okay, now it's not an actual hat, but pretty close to. So even I will do the annotation for this one. Okay, so this is one hat. Okay, but these guys are also wearing vest. So I will just try to create. Okay, now you can see a lot of other items are coming into the picture. So I will just try to ignore them. Okay, so I want to be doing this. Okay, because a lot of information are there, which I don't want. Okay, because I am just leveling the vest, so I will just skip that part. Okay, so till here I will just do it west. Okay, then create rect box for here also I can do. Okay, so here actually the information is more, so I will just try to increase this one. Okay, now I will just click on save. Then for next image similarly create red box. Okay, so three hats are there, hat or helmet, anything you can say. So I'm just taking an example here. Create red box quickly. So this one hat, here also hat. Okay, now this is a vest I will say. So what I will do, I will just quickly create a vest for this one. Okay, and here I will give it a name vest. So in this way you have to do the annotation. Okay, so I think this is the process of annotation. Okay, now let's me jump to the annotation file. So how the actually looks like. So this is a new file has been created, classes.txt. If we just try to open there, because I will just try to reload. So right now only two classes I have annotated, hat and vest. So if there were some other classes, all the name of the classes would have been written. Now each of them have an ID like hat 0, vest 1. Okay, so if I just try to open the first picture, in the first picture there was a single object in the image which was hat. So if I just try to open this one, you can see it is 0, and these are basically the bounding box coordinates. So similarly, if I try to open for the last one, where actually three hats were there and one vest. Okay, so you can see four lines is there, three hats, 000 representing the hat and one for the vest. So this is how the annotation file looks like of YOLO. Okay, so I have shown you the contents and some other annotation tools. So let me just show you them. So if I want to just go them, So what I will do, I will just close everything for now. So Google, okay, for that simply you can use via annotation tool, via annotation tool. This is a very famous one, okay, and used a lot of time. GitHub I won't be mentioning because there is a direct website for this one from the Oxford industry. Okay, then CVAT. Okay, there is make sense also, make sense. So these tools you can use actually to do the annotation. Maybe the format is different, okay, but you can make it compatible using some type of converter scripts. Okay, so this tool I've showed you a lot of times. So this is an optional tool that you can always use. Make sense, online browser based. This is also similar to a browser only. Okay, you can see, and via .html file you can directly use that. So these are few of the options that are available. So guys, see you in the next lecture.